And the people with the ice cream, make them a Red Bull float. Is that a thing? I just thought of that. Is that a thing? A Red Bull float. I would like a Red Bull float. Yeah. A couple of things to be aware of. First of all, rates, and I'm going to go real fast here. Good morning, Lee. Rates had improved nicely last week, but gave up those gains this morning in reaction to geopolitical concerns. Rates are about the same as they were last Monday. If the cycle holds, we should see things continue the march downward in a couple of weeks as the world digests the latest conflict. Make it a great week. And here's where we are presently at. 30-year fix has dropped below 6, which is exciting. VA is sitting at 5.64. USDA over 6, first-time homebuyer over 6, but the conventional 30-year has dropped below 6. So we have 3 of the major rates now below 6, even though they're hovering there. So interest rates in capital markets. Mortgage rates are hovering in the high 6 to low 7 range. DSCR rates are generally clustering in the 6.75 to 11% range, depending on leverage and prepay. And bridge money remains in the 10 to 11% range. Rates are not collapsing, they are stabilizing. The market has adjusted, borrowers are recalibrating expectations. There's no longer a wait for 5% rates environment. This is a make the deal work at today's rate environment. Now, that in and of itself, in my opinion, is an interesting statement because a lot of buyers were sitting on the sidelines going, well, when are rates going to adjust? Because then I'll buy something. But it's now a buyer's market, you guys. I told you last week, we have 44% more people looking to sell a house than we have buyers for those houses. And so those who are trying to sell a house are giving them away. So concessions, down payment assistance, fixing anything you want. You want a new hot tub installed? You can probably ask for it. Now is a great time to be buying a house. Terrible time if you're selling. But just know, if you need to buy, now is a really good time to do that. Based on the latest private lending market data, the DSCR loan volume, and this is important for all of you to be talking about with our clients, DSCR loan volume has gone up 60% year over year. 60% year over year. So as we're inviting clients to get involved in our brokering program, these are some of the statistics and data you need to be aware of. Investors are using DSCR to scale portfolios without DTI or debt to income ratio constraints. The qualification is based on property cash flow, which continues to be the key driver, and repeat borrower activity is increasing. This is a systems game now. So the translation for us is the brokers who understand positioning and speed will win in 2026. This is still the year of the broker, but I do want you guys to write this down, please. Please write this down. Speed plus clarity plus confidence equals market share. Speed plus clarity plus confidence equals market share. I told you guys last week the things that our brokers fear most, and that was feeling stupid or sounding stupid because they don't have the confidence in what they're saying. So we have to continually be reiterating this to them.
If you want to learn more, just click the link below.